your eyes.
They are closed.
Open.
Heart on stick must die!
But what about that?
Yeah, that's a great intro. Sup, Blazers? We're gonna be playing a Roblox game. Don't know which one yet.
Way.
With the will, there's a way. Sorry,
what
didn't mean to slam the door.
are we gonna play?
Yeah, what are we gonna play? We should do a video on the whale.
What? Good idea.
What?
The audience should see what the whale is like.
Yeah. I think I found the one by Dan Joe Is Here Ruse.
And we'll record ourselves getting hacked.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the game. I'm gonna go ahead and
there it is.
put it on split screen.
That's the game right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and invite the party. Inviting party. Oh, there you are. I don't need to invite you. Hello, back. So,
there's a whale on the roof. Look.
Oh my gosh, there is. So, there's the whale.
He's rotating as we move. Move left and right. There's a shark in the boat.
The heck
and
is
why
the shark
are there propellers in a boat? Your boat was captured.
Oh my gosh, the whale kills you.
The sharks are after me and
oh no. I understand what's going on now. Every time you die, you get hacked. So whatever you do, don't touch anything. Don't touch the whale or the sharks.
Oh, let's try again, and we won't touch any of the boats.
Yeah, good idea. Going with party.
The whale is rotating along with me. Look.
Wow. I'm hearing rocket launchers. Why am I hearing rocket launchers?
Probably because it's in the gear shop. I see a gear shop.
I'm gonna see what's going on.
Why is the whale turning direction whenever we move?
It doesn't look like there's a
gear shop on the other side of the whale on the roof.
Aha! There is a rocket launcher, but why the heck is it making a sound?
Where is the...
Oh my gosh, it blew me up!
Oh my god, I'm gonna get hacked! Oh, never mind.
I got hacked.
Still in the shop? Are you still in the shop?
No, I got blown up and died.
Are you in the respawn?
No.
Okay. Okay, let's play some more whale games. I'll try to find one that I've played a few years ago.
Okay. Isn't that the one that
you played a few years ago? It's like a pixelated whale that is either named Aura or Lana or something. I think it was Lana the whale, and you would just ride the whale and it would glitch out on you.
What happened? You're not in the party anymore, but it says you are.
We should play Bird Sandbox.
Wow.
You can play as a bird. This is Bird's game from Ant and Bird.
Oh yeah! Joining party.
Which bird are you? Why is this one grabbing onto me? Hey, where are you?
I'm the stylish bird.
The stylish bird? Where? Which color?
Purple or pink.
Pink. Alright.
I can't run. Why can't I run? Shift? I don't see a shift.
that you play as birds.
I don't
The
know
heads
why,
move
but
around
it's saying
spontaneously.
that I need to use F to swap, but I don't
Look
have
at
an
my
F.
position. Oh, I'm talking. It's a puppet.
I don't have an F. How are you doing that?
I don't know. Why is there no F on your keyboard?
Oh, keyboard. I was using my controller. That's why.
Where are you? Oh, you're right there. That's not you. Oh, this one.
Stop chasing after purple birds.
I just looking for you. You were a purple bird.
There
There
we
you
go.
are. But it's like you're unrecognizable because of all the same colored birds around. You gone.
No, is the whale still running?
What? Look at those giant eyeballs on this bird being dragged. He's shocked.
I
He's
can't open
dragging him into the
Roblox.
ocean.
Oh, I just opened Roblox. And it just closed. Yeah, this is awkward. This is awkward. And you are perfectly fine. Okay, I'm just gonna scratch.
It made me feel like I'm nothing. Oh, is it still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
I'm gonna full screen your share since I can't play.
Alright. Look at my position. Look at this.
Why are you in that position?
I don't know. Whenever I turn the screen.
Come on.
Puppeting.
I'm back. It kicked me from the call.
Oh, wow.
I might need to restart my computer so that way I can stop getting. So that way this thing from the whale can stop.
It made me feel like I'm.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.